So this is my final project for Java. This is the bookstore project, where we are able to manage a catalog of books as well as a bank account. And we have class publication, and we have books and articles, which are extending publication using class inheritance. Then you have all of your methods to be able to manage the array of publications, such as output, sort by price, find the most expensive publication and the least expensive publication, find the average price of all the publications, as well as search price, as well as selling items from your catalog. So we're going to go ahead and run through this. So it's going to give you a main menu, and it's going to ask you to manage transactions or manage catalogs. So we're going to go ahead and manage transactions first. So it gives you the options to sell your publications, display the current amount in your bank account, withdraw and deposit money. So we're going to show the current amount in the bank account because our bookstore just starts with $500 in the bank. So we're going to withdraw from here $50, and it'll show that our bank account now has $450, so we're going to go ahead and put that money back in as well as a little bit extra. So we're going to go ahead and give it $100 so that our bank account now has $550. So we're going to go ahead and exit out of this since we're not dealing with money yet, because we need to add some books to our catalog. So we're going to go ahead and press 2 to enter into our next submenu, and this is the long, lengthy one. This will let you output your catalog, add publications to it, sort by price, display the cheapest, display the most expensive, display the average price, as well as search publications by price. So we're going to go ahead and add some publications. So we're going to want to add a book, and the title is going to be named War. The price of this is going to be $25, and the ISBN number is a 13-digit number. And in order to do that without having an error, I had to use big integer, which is right here, to be able to do that, so it didn't throw it as a string. It would not recognize because of how big the number is. So we're going to go ahead and press enter on that. So now we can output my array, which shows that we have one book named War at the index number of 0 for $25. So we're going to go ahead and add another publication, and we're going to make it a book, and we're going to call this one Peace. The price of this is going to be $75, and its ISBN is also going to be a very lengthy number. So we're going to go ahead and add another book in between that price range, so we're going to call that Java for Dummies. And the price of this one is going to be about $35. So its ISBN is also a very lengthy number. So now we can go ahead and output our array and show that we have 3 books, one named War, one named Peace, and one named Java for Dummies. So we're going to go ahead and sort this by price. So this, in theory, should move Java for Dummies to index number 1. So we're going to go ahead and press 3 to sort by price, and it did indeed. It shows War, Java for Dummies is now at index 1, and Peace is now at index number 2. So our cheapest publication, which you can find by pressing 4, is War at $25, and the most expensive, which you can find by pressing 5, is Peace at $75. So we're going to go ahead and display the average price of all 3 of these books. By pressing 6, the average price is $45, and the way I did that was here. It is by taking a loop and looping through all of the items inside of your catalog, getting their price, adding it together, and then taking it and dividing it by the amount of books that you have. Gives you your average price of all the books. And then we can also search for a book by price. So we're going to go ahead and hit 7, and I want to see if we have a book for $75 in this array. So we're going to go ahead and press 75, and it says that there's a publication found at index number 2 named Peace for $75. So we're going to go ahead and exit out of that and go back to managing transactions. So we're going to go ahead and sell Peace. So we're going to go ahead and type 2 since we just found its index number using the search method. So now our book has been sold. So now we can go ahead and check our bank account and see how much money we have in it now. Now that we have $490 in now that we've sold Peace back. So we're going to go ahead and hit 5 to exit out of this one, and then we're going to go ahead and hit 2 to manage the catalog, and then 1 to output it. So now you can see we have War and Java for Dummies, and Peace is now gone. We have sold the book. So we are going to go ahead and hit 8 to exit out of that, and 3 to exit out of the program in total, and that is the bookstore program.